In a cozy bathroom, a tiny orange kitten named Whiskers takes its very first bubble bath surrounded by fluffy suds and the gentle sound of splashing water. As the warm water cascades around Whiskers, each playful swipe at the bubbles brings forth joyous splashes, turning bath time into an unexpected adventure. Settling down amid the frothy suds, Whiskers enjoys a moment of tranquility, blissfully unaware of the joy it spreads with its adorable antics. With a spirited shake, Whiskers fluffs its freshly washed fur, ready to embark on new playful escapades, leaving a trail of giggles in its wake.